wherever you may be right now. Welcome to this special day of announcements about our latest technology developments. This year is extra special, as it is the first time that we present PTV and Econolite's latest developments together, united under the brand Ummovity. With this newly formed union, we are the true one-stop shop provider of end-to-end technology and services to realize smart, safe, and sustainable transportation. This means, with our new mobility tech suite, we are expanding and orchestrating the mobility value chain holistically, providing you with the right software and hardware that is needed to optimize mobility anywhere in the world. Powerful expert products like our market-leading modeling and simulation and traffic operation software, new, lightweight, and use-case-sharp SaaS products, and our cutting-edge cabinets, controllers, sensors, and field services. With our mobility tech suite, we help you to cover everything from strategic mobility planning and traffic management and prediction to on-site traffic operations and optimization, regardless of the use case, scope, or timeline of your project. Driven by your needs and the potential that lies in coalescing software, hardware, and services, our teams put a lot of effort in continuous innovation, giving you the most cutting-edge tools to improve mobility, sustainability, efficiency, accessibility, and safety. I want to highlight 3 key elements underlining our tech strategy. First, the importance of data, which is the heart of our technology. Mobility data has emerged as a critical asset in today's fast-paced business world, and we witness the emergence of complex and fast-moving data systems. Both Econolite and PTV Group have long-standing foundations in advocating for the use of data to transform mobility. An added value of our union as Ummovity is a mutual data enrichment and integration between our hardware and software. Data input enhanced by intelligent algorithms are the fundaments of our modeling solutions and automation technology, such as with PTV Model2Go, which reduces the setup of a digital twin for any city worldwide from several months to just 1 week. The latest version also integrates traffic demand data provided by our long-standing partner TomTom. Another innovative example is with Centracs Mobility, our cloud-based advanced transportation management system solution, which centralizes intersection signal data and detection data. In pushing our data-driven strategy, I'm particularly proud that we recently joined the Overture Map Foundation. Overture was founded by TomTom, Microsoft, Amazon, and Web Services, and Meta at the end of last year, with the aim to create a new standard for open map data. A new collaborative standard for map building and open data presents abundant potential. This is why we're looking forward to support this initiative with our expertise in multimodal modeling and simulation, as well as map development and mobility data. I'm convinced that great things will emerge from the interplay of the different Overture partners, just like in music, where the Overture marks the opening of a symphony. The interplay of data ultimately feeds another trend that currently sets the beat in all industries: the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Undoubtedly, AI and machine learning are already pivotal in shaping the future of mobility, a fact which is resonating in our PTV and Econolite strategies. Our modeling and prediction software have been empowered by machine learning and big data sources for years, and we're continually advancing these technologies, forging ahead into new opportunities. For example, in reconstructing the geographical distribution of travel demand, or recognizing the mode of transport with AI. Our real-time traffic management solutions, such as PTV Flows, combine machine learning techniques with dynamic traffic modeling. This provides you with live information on the current traffic situation and enables detailed traffic forecasts up to 60 minutes in advance. In transit networks, we work on machine learning techniques to propose mitigation actions when service disruptions occur, for example, due to vehicle breakdowns. So you can look forward to seeing how we continue to integrate AI and machine learning into our products and innovations to further elevate your workflow to new levels of convenience and efficiency. While technological evolution is moving fast, we know that what counts the most are the people using the technology. Having you, the transportation community, in mind, one of our major goals of the developments within our mobility tech suite is to make collaboration and connectivity even easier and more convenient for you. The connectivity between you and us, between you and your project partners, and between our products leads to enriching combinations and endless possibilities. With our current and upcoming developments, we are committed to empowering you with the tools, services, and inspiration to innovate, collaborate, and move forward in changing mobility for the better. Are you excited to dive into the details? Let's get this year's technology update started by sending it over to Steffen.
Thanks, Christian. As product development, our mission is to provide applications tailored to specific use cases and at the same time to offer a portfolio of standard, modern products for a consistent user experience. How can we achieve that? Well, by structuring our mobility tech suite in a way that valuable functionality can be integrated with different products easily and smoothly and even across different platforms. And we make sure that product integration always follows our users' workflows. Sounds abstract, right? So let me give you some examples. Most of you will probably know PTV Visum and PTV Visum are powerful applications to plan and simulate transportation. They provide everything transportation modelists need. So how do these products benefit from the cloud and the new web apps? And what is their road to the cloud in general? There are many answers to this, but let me just name a few. Number one, to boost efficiency, we are adding cloud-based data management and cloud computing. Just imagine how much faster you can run a simulation when all scenarios are computed in parallel in the cloud. Number two, of course, there's a lot more to it. Once the model is sitting in the cloud, users can collaborate much better. We all know that from Office 365 or the Google Suite. The team is working in parallel and easily creates much more value. And number three, that's the best thing, collaboration will not be limited to only those products. Step by step, our web-based applications will be connected to cloud-based models too, so that every user can work on the part that they need for their analysis and still with one consistent model underneath. Imagine how that will boost your productivity. As we follow our mission to SaaS, we are constantly building new web-first products like PTV Lines. That's the tool for streamlining public transport sketch planning. Very intuitive and lightweight. And you might wonder, does it connect with PTV Visum? And the answer is absolutely, and in many ways. First one is straightforward. For a seamless integration, you can start lines based on a Visum model or export your data back. That's clear. What might be less obvious is that under the hood of Lines, we can plug in everything from the PTV Visum methodology that is needed for PT sketch planning, be it isochrones, demand analysis, line blocking, or flow bundles. So technology is the key ingredient for a great product portfolio. But let's not forget the importance of data. You know that creating a transportation model can be a time-consuming task if you do it from scratch. This is why with PTV Model2Go, we leverage the availability of data and advanced technology to create value in several ways. Efficiency. Obviously, by eliminating all the tedious tasks, Model2Go allows for a rapid development of models for specific high-end use cases. Integration. Model2Go seamlessly integrates into other applications like PTV Flows, which is our web app for streamlined traffic management. Thanks to the model provisioning, at a single click, your PTV Flows projects really get kickstarted. And data utilization. The data generated through Model2Go is valuable for many other use cases and markets. And this is why we are also offering PTV Access, an API for the quickly increasing data catalog. With growing collaboration, there is also a rising need for visualization and data sharing. Therefore, and always based on your feedback, we keep adding new analysis capabilities to Visum Publisher. Very naturally, this product will become the place to share projects done in other PTV products or even traffic operation products from Econolite, which of course is another highly important area to be mentioned when speaking of synergies on portfolio level. The added value of our newly formed union with Econolite is that our mobility tech suite opens completely new opportunities to connect products and use cases. Let's start with the new connection between Centracs and Vistro. This interface enables you to transfer signal timings between planning and operation in an instant. Tedious manual coding is gone. Just use Vistro to identify the optimal timing and switch to Centracs to implement it on the street. With respect to traffic management, the connection of Centracs with Flows leads to advanced prediction and control within the same operational environment. And here's another exciting example. The industry-leading EOS controller from Econolite is now seamlessly integrated into PTV Visum, meaning you can effortlessly replicate controller logic within your traffic simulation. And why is that so valuable? Well, it just simplifies testing signalization in various scenarios, and it provides simulation-driven insight for precise configuration adjustments. Of course, this is just the beginning of the journey towards high-end connectivity between all levels of our mobility tech suite, so expect a lot more to come. Now, let's zoom into our product highlights, starting with Kishmala.
Thanks, Steffen. As you said, every sound mobility plan starts with a good model as foundation. That foundation is paved by data that flows in from various sources, from hardware in the field like Econolite's detectors to data providers, open source platforms, and other invaluable resources. This data feeds life into our transport model. In a world grappling with pressing mobility challenges, we always race towards better solutions also in transport modeling. Take Model2Go Supply, our ready-to-use transport models for cities across the globe. It's a testament to our commitment to bring efficiency to transportation modeling, empowering cities, consultancies, and mobility service operators to focus on the planning process and make reliable model-based decisions. And now there is even more. Model2Go has taken a giant leap forward this year with the introduction of Model2Go Demand. This edition provides you with instant insights into the origin and destination demand for your desired area, all powered by the scalable and reliable traffic data from TomTom. Covering anywhere from 10% to 30% of total private transport road traffic, these demand models reduce the effort needed to collect data empirically and offer you accurate results in no time. The audit trip data are precise yet anonymized and compliant with data privacy regulations such as GDPR. The utilization of standardized, widely available data opens a plethora of use cases and evaluations, such as multimodal transport accessibility, location planning studies, and a wide range of common traffic and mobility analysis. Transport models are the fundamental block from which we build our understanding of a city's mobility potential. Modeling empowers us and you to understand mobility patterns, to analyze the preferences in transport modes, to identify constraints, and to unlock the true needs of people when it comes to the mobility. This profound insight into urban mobility is now within our grasp thanks to PTV Access. Consider PTV Access a data hub for valuable mobility data such as accessibility information, traffic volumes, and a lot more. And the best, you can select the location you wish for and transfer the scoring data via an API into your own application to benefit from the invaluable insights. We are already offering access scores for over 80 cities in Germany and 28 cities in France, and there are more cities and countries on the roadmap. Our platform, built on the robust Model2Go technology, is a constantly evolving entity. This helps you to cover multiple data-driven use cases, from estimating the value of real estate or development areas to ensuring accessibility and equity in mobility for all. As Model2Go takes you on a journey through the macroscopic landscape of transportation planning, let's have a look at the evolution of our transportation planning software, PTV Visum. Michael, could you share with us the exciting advancements and innovations that we can expect from 2024 Visum?
Thanks, Kishmala. One of the most significant new features for Visum 24 is regarding activity-based modelling, or ABM for short. With ABM, you represent individual people and the decisions they make. This is the leading edge of travel demand modelling. And now, with the new release, this capability is fully built into the software, enabling any skilled modeller to use it. And not only that, the ABM in Visum 2024 has a unique capability for reducing the randomness that is characteristic with ABM, so you can have stable, consistent results. Every user appreciates a speed up, a time saving. In this year's release, we have significantly sped up the shortest path search for timetable-based public transport. In practice, this means you can benefit from the more stable, shortest path option for timetable-based assignment, which is now up to 100 times faster. You will, in particular, notice a massive speed up for skimming calculations if you use the shortest path option. Next up, it is becoming increasingly of interest for transport modelers to utilize data from digital terrain models in order to represent elevation. With Visum 2024, it is now possible to import data directly from such digital terrain models. This will make it easier to better represent the impacts of topography on things like bicycle route choice, trying to avoid the steepest hills, for example, and also electric vehicles and emissions with regards to energy consumption. Another interesting new feature for Visum 2024 is the ability to merge network data. Data sources for building networks are more abundant than ever, and often users want to combine information from multiple sources. This is where the new tool to merge network data comes in. With this tool, it's easy to transfer data between networks, aggregate attribute values, and even create new links. I'm pretty sure that every Visum user will know intimately the Excel import and export functionality, and it's something we all do regularly to work with Visum data. In the new version, you can now export all lists to Excel with just one click, and doing so will retain column selection, layout settings, sort order, filters, and even attribute metadata as comments. So this very common action has become even more useful. Plus, our new CSV export option has been streamlined too. Moving on to a range of smaller but useful features, PTV Visum 2024 also includes an extended set of GIS tools. These make it easier to edit and process geographic data. For example, you can now intersect and disaggregate matrices, and you can split territories along shortest paths. And now, as someone who has developed many detailed junction models in Visum before, one of my favorite new features is the improved and very flexible representation of roundabouts in the junction editor. This will greatly improve modeling for ICA and SBA in particular. This next one is for those of you also working with PTV Vistro software. In the latest Visum version, there's a new Vistro merge and update tool. This allows you to merge data from multiple Vistro networks, which may include data from on-site hardware providers such as Econolite, into your regional Visum model. This can save a lot of time and effort, as you no longer need to manually merge the data. And finally, PTV Visum 2024 includes a new option for conditional execution of procedures. This one might sound a little dry, but it gives you more flexibility to customize your workflows and reduce the need for scripting. And this is done by allowing you to have the execution of procedures based on model attributes. PTV Visum is a holistic transport planning solution for transport modelers. But non-modelers also need to understand transport model data. And for that, we have PTV Visum Publisher. Over to you, Chiara.
Thanks, Michael. Powerful transport models and the planned scenarios that will impact the infrastructure and mobility services and mobility patterns require a proper validation from all angles and involvement of various stakeholders. PTV Visum Publisher is your powerful platform for doing exactly this. And as we all know the saying, sharing is caring, today I am thrilled to unveil several new features that are part of the evolution of the visualization tool PTV Visum Publisher. The first of these new developments encompasses the remarkable global storytelling capabilities that this platform empowers you with. Imagine seamlessly blending your Visum data into personalized, cloud-based dashboards that offer a kaleidoscope of interactive maps, dynamic animations, and insightful charts. Our web application provides you with an array of intuitive features, enabling you to craft your narrative effortlessly. What's more, our latest Visum Publisher update introduces an ingenious addition, the convenience of data tables. This feature allows you to craft, organize, and present data tables alongside your charts, enhancing the clarity of your message. But that's not all. Embrace the new on-the-fly calculation feature, which lets you effortlessly amalgamate results from various attributes, enabling you to discern and compare nuances between scenarios, factors, rates, or cumulative impacts. In essence, PTV Visum Publisher beckons you to assemble a global community of experts to collaboratively review and enrich your mobility models, and then share your narrative with the world. And there's more. Another milestone centers on the power of public sharing. PTV Visum Publisher now empowers you to share your dashboards via public links, reaching stakeholders, agency members, decision makers, and even the general public. Public sharing becomes a conduit to effectively communicate a project, foster broader public engagement, and enhance the acceptance of your projects or plans. These public links are primed for social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, previously named Twitter, automatically generating captivating social media cards for your posts. This remarkable journey with PTV Visum Publisher begins with a free trial and extends to a purchase option, inviting you to join hands with us and our vibrant user community. From the grand canvas of microscopic models, allow me to zoom in with utmost excitement to the micro level, the realm of PTV Vissim. And for this captivating journey, let's welcome Matthias, our PTV Vissim champion.
Welcome to the world of PTV Vissim and PTV Viswalk 2024. As the product manager, I'm thrilled to celebrate this year with you, our thousands of users, the 30th birthday of Vissim, and to share the key highlights that make this version the best microscopic traffic and pedestrian simulation ever. What makes it so special? First, PTV Vissim and Viswalk 2024 come with a major overhaul of our pedestrian simulation routines, using a new activity-based stack. You can expect better parallelization, certain speed improvements, and a more robust simulation. As a result, you will experience more efficient pedestrian simulations. We've added multiple dedicated driving behavior parameters, so you can accurately model specific zipper merging behavior. The vehicles in your model will react on each other and build gaps for the upcoming merge, even where a physical barrier still prevents the lane change. This results in smoother merging and less congestion. The car makers across the globe are constantly working on new designs and new models. So we have updated our selection of 3D models as well to reflect those real-world enhancements. PTV Vissim 2024 now offers a wide range of new 3D models of popular vehicles in Europe, USA, China, and Japan. They include those with combustion engines as well as electric ones, and also categories like autonomous people mover or electric kick scooters. Experience more realistic simulations with these updated models. We've expanded the labeling capabilities for better organization and clarity. You can now label objects that depend on other objects, like routes from routing decisions, doors from elevators, and more. These labels for child objects improve your options to add more clarity and allow for more organized modeling. In PTV Vissim and Viswalk 2024, you can now add labels to pedestrians in 2D view, just like you can for vehicles. The labels can display static or dynamic content that changes during the simulation. Your 2D simulations are now more informative and visually appealing with these new labeling options. And we have added small arrows to the line representing a pedestrian route to indicate the direction of movement along the routes. This provides you with clear guidance about pedestrians' movement along the route when route decision and destinations are not shown. Defining the right-of-way at conflict areas is now much easier. In PTV Vissim 2024, we've enhanced the way conflict areas are configured. Clear labels A and B are displayed on the respective links in the network editor and in the list, eliminating any confusion. You can directly choose the right configuration without guessing the references. There's even more news about how your models are visualized. PTV Vissim 2024 allows you to display raster graphics in different file formats as lane or pavement markings in 2D and 3D mode. You can, for example, add a symbol of a bicycle to highlight a bike lane. This way you get more flexibility and customization options in your simulations to better recreate the real world. And now, we're really proud about this one, the new simultaneous multi-route editing feature. It will make your modeling job easier and faster by editing multiple routes derived from various routing decisions in one single operation. Add a temporary intermediate point to selected routes and move them together across different links. The editor provides a real-time preview of the outcome. So start customizing your routes with no effort. We've made our ring barrier controller much more effective. It now has powerful new functionalities such as transit priority that provides more green time to reduce the delay of transit vehicles, and preemptions for overriding traffic lights to clear intersections. We've also added delay green to allow pedestrians to walk early before vehicles, as well as vehicle omits to selectively enable or disable signal groups and patterns. And there's more signal controller news. Soon we will also have Econolite's powerful next-generation traffic controller EOS integrated in PTV Vissim. It comes with improved core traffic controller operation, support of connected and automated vehicles, smart city applications, and much more. Also, the signal control possibilities for our Vissim kernel on Linux were enhanced. The 2024 version makes full use of fixed-time signal control with Wekeck. It allows you to model a signal group and stage-based signal programs, as well as daily signal program lists. No matter if you're using the desktop version for Windows or the Vissim kernel for Linux as a command line calculation simulation engine, Wekeck fixed-time signal control has got you covered. Finally, a small but an important one. PTV Vissim 2024 includes the options to save automatic backups according to your desired time intervals. This will effectively prevent unintended loss of data after a system crash and save you from repeating work you've already done. And of course, we've made much more work under the hood for you, resulting in an improvement of the simulation speed up to factor 3 in certain use cases, and generally a better multi-core usage. These are just a few of the new features and improvements in PTV Vissim and PTV Viswalk 2024. Let's stay in the world of traffic engineering and talk about PTV Vistro. Mariló, what news do you have for the 2024 version?
Thanks, Matthias, and welcome to the grand stage of innovation and progress, where we unveil a transformation alliance that will shape the future of traffic engineering. Today, we are excited to announce the release of the 2024 edition of PTV Vistro. Vistro includes seamless integration with Centracs by Econolite, the industry-leading advanced transportation management system. This integration enables traffic signal timing analysis and traffic impact studies to converge with traffic management and monitoring, eliminating the need for cumbersome setups and fragmented analysis. With this connection, you no longer need manually to input signal timing parameters into the software, as the Centracs Vistro integration effortlessly delivers numerous traffic signal time-of-day patterns and timings to Vistro, and back to Centracs at the highest quality. Vistro also includes several recent developments that support the ease and flexibility of traffic signal optimization, such as the default signalization feature. This feature streamlines the setup and optimization of traffic signal controllers. Only in Vistro, this process estimates pedestrian crosswalk clearance times to correctly calculate signal optimizations. And on top of that, Vistro also incorporates leading pedestrian intervals through built-in functionality, which is unique to Vistro, eliminating the need for false faces. You can optimize entire networks with LPIs and simulate those from Vistro timing plans in Vissim 2024, making LPIs cost-effective to implement, especially with Vistro and Econolite's EOS traffic signal controllers. And now to the power of APIs. PTV Vistro now includes the ITE's trip generation API into its best-of-class TIA workflow, making it a one-stop shop for your TIA analysis. You can access current ITE trip generation data through a user-friendly interface, analyze ITE data, plots, and delve into land use descriptions. Furthermore, we have included ITE trip generation statistics in our UI and added a simple-to-use internal capture percentage to accommodate non-vehicle trips. Vistro's one and only route-based optimization feature also enables you to intuitively choose which routes and turns are specifically optimized and viewed on the time-space diagram. Effortlessly optimize and understand configurations like interchange ramps or traverse through detours with unique optimization functionality. Regards to sustainability, discover in PTV Vistro 2024 your intersection's environmental footprint with emissions calculations based on traffic operations. Moreover, and only in Vistro, analyze how electric vehicles mitigate these carbon emissions to help you design and create policies. In addition, future-proof your next design. Study the impacts of connected and autonomous vehicles as signals and roundabouts using the HCM 7th edition formulations. Speaking of roundabout, Vistro 2024 includes a new and improved roundabout visualization that enables better design support and modeling feedback. Craft perfect rally, splitter islands, and circulatory roadways. Moreover, only with Vistro, they can test your roundabout configuration in Vissim's world-class simulation. Your Vistro engineering details, such as dedicated bypass lanes, turn channelization, turn lanes, and radii, are visualized in Vissim and Visum with pinpoint precision, making it efficient and intuitive to evaluate corridor mobility in multi-resolutions. But this is just a glimpse into the world of Vistro's latest features, meticulously designed to transform traffic engineering into a seamless, efficient, and safety-oriented endeavor. Transforming our existing technology is something that you can rely on and look forward to each year. together with the transformation of our product portfolio. So now please, Farnaz, tell us more about the brand new solution PTV Lines for PT service planning.
Thanks, Mariló. Public transport service planning has for a long time and often still now based on paper or Excel sheets. Our latest SaaS application, PTV Lines, is the new entry point for planners to accelerate the process of PT service planning and foster collaboration between different planning departments. PTV Lines provide a fully digitized workflow for network design and timetable planning. You find no barrier to entry as it's web-based, intuitive, and easy to use. Once you have imported your existing supply via standard interfaces, you can easily create scenarios of your lines and net timetable with only few clicks. Define and calculate operational costs for each transport system. Evaluate the catchment of your public transit network using GIS data such as population. Explore and compare operational indicators for scenarios resulting from alternative routes for lines, higher frequency of services, or definition of new service time window. Generate informative reports and export the result as Excel files and high-resolution map images. With this functionality, PTV Lines provide transit planners with everything that is required for the rapid public transit network design. However, we don't restrict our users to just these features. For more advanced public transportation planning tasks, the outputs from PTV Lines can be seamlessly integrated into PTV Visum. This integration enables you to conduct in-depth studies and analysis or export results as GTFS, facilitating subsequent stages of public transit planning. PTV Lines functionalities are continuously being expanded. We have just released important analysis functions such as import demographic data, such as workplaces, school, or any other user data to use for assessing the catchment area of the stops and lines, accessibility analysis, and isochronous maps. Our team is currently working to introduce additional functionalities such as internationalization, connecting analysis at stops between different lines, enhancing graphical timetable visualization, expanding our export formats, and finally, demand analysis. With PTV Lines, we are supporting the industry to better plan and optimize public transport network. However, buses and other road users share the same infrastructure, and this needs to be managed in the real time. So now let's jump to traffic management. Tell us more, Daniele.
Thanks, Farnaz. And I, as product manager of PTV Optima, I'm here to unveil the strides we have made in this new iteration. I'm certain that these advancements will prove invaluable to your traffic management. So let's dive into the world of possibilities that await us in this new latest version. This year, PTV Optima puts a strong focus on the environment by introducing the fusion of Bosch air quality data and the prowess of PTV Optima 2024. In a stride to combat climate change, we have embarked on a journey that elevates the game of pollution control. Cities equipped with Bosch sensors now possess an unprecedented advantage to improve their pollution control actions by monitoring pollution levels at individual locations in real time, comparing daily levels with target levels, evaluating of potential countermeasures and their effectiveness, and activating traffic management policies when thresholds are exceeded. The power to monitor pollution levels and act to derive changes lies now in your hands. Now let's delve into a technical marvel, the incorporation of link fundamental diagram parameters. This breakthrough empowers you to calibrate subcritical and supercritical traffic dynamics during offline modeling with PTV Visum. The result? A seamless alignment between PTV Optima 2024 forecasts and real-world data, delivering pinpoint accuracy and reliability. Imagine the orchestration of multiple real-time traffic feeds from TomTom, ensuring border crossing networks are impeccably managed without the pains of data loss or integration. This symbiotic integration is designed to streamline your efforts, propelling you forward without missing a beat. Furthermore, PTV Optima 2024 ensures smooth updates of TomTom traffic maps that are being synced in the background, minimizing service downtimes. But that's not where the innovation ends. Brace yourselves for the Event API's harmonious union with OpenLR locationing. This fusion champions adaptability, offering unparalleled versatility in pinpointing traffic events. PTV Optima 2024 stands as a beacon for support for the latest location format, dynamically decoding it on any map, even those uniquely crafted to your specifications. Our latest version of Optima assures vigilant monitoring over streets, maintaining the utmost accuracy in traffic volume and speed forecasts. Automation takes center stage, expediting analysis, error detection, and data updates. The outcome is a seamless synthesis of data, which in turn fuels custom indicators that encapsulate your entire system, designated areas, and chosen paths. PTV Optima 2024 is your ally in real-time traffic management. It is the tool enabling you to open the gates to new potential that lies within your traffic forecast and insights. But we have much more for you than Optima when it comes to traffic management. Ciao Luca!
Buongiorno! Moving on from traffic planning to traffic monitoring. Forget everything you think you know about traffic management solutions. The brand new cloud tool PTV Flows is not like any other tool you might know. It doesn't require complex infrastructure, extensive resources, or special training. It comes with everything you need, including a network map and floating car data. Thanks to that, it can be set up in less than 1 day. It can be simply accessed by your browser or by the API in case you want to integrate its results in your existing traffic control room. Let's take a closer look at the set of functionalities. The machine learning algorithms of PTV Flows create self-updating forecasts that allow traffic operators to spot the upcoming state of the network up to 120 minutes into the future, and thus to proactively manage traffic. Our algorithms act also as an amplifier of the received data, filling the gaps where there aren't any actual data. PTV Flows simplifies and helps the traffic operator to spot and visualize current and upcoming problems in the road network using customizable KPIs. Green means everything is fine, yellow or red KPIs require your attention. However, there is no need to monitor the tool 24/7. Automatic email alerts will inform you and other stakeholders if something is coming up and requires your attention. And the connection to messaging apps or social media keep the road users automatically up to date. Oh, look, I just got an alert informing me on the current status of the traffic situation. We are continuously expanding PTV Flows and adding more function. We plan to connect to Centracs Mobility, a software designed to address the dynamic traffic control needs of today's data-driven roadway networks and smart city multimodal transportation environments. By combining PTV Flows with Centracs Mobility, you can get even more insight into your network performance and optimize, for example, traffic light timing for the demand, or reroute traffic along your corridors, and much more. Speaking of Centracs, David, can you bring us up to speed with Centracs developments?
Thanks, Luca. As Vice President of Software at Econolite, I am pleased to present you our new technology updates. As previously described, we continue to identify and build upon synergies between Econolite and PTV solutions, such as Vistro, Visum, Optima, and Flows. Particularly, Econolite is leveraging the predictive and machine learning capabilities of PTV throughout our Centracs Mobility solutions. But of course, there's much more to talk about. The Econolite software team has been enhancing our modules and introducing exciting new functionality within the Centracs Mobility platform. One area that has captured the industry's attention is our signal control priority solutions, including transit, emergency vehicles, and connected vehicles, for example. So let me describe a few of these new highlights of Centracs Priority. The first one being Priority Request Generation. PRG employs the agency's business logic to make informed decisions about granting priority to vehicles based on factors like vehicle classification and transit schedules. This capability within the Centracs Mobility platform reduces integration costs as well as implementation schedules otherwise associated with transit and CAD AVL system integration. The second feature is called Automated Vehicle Location. Independent of a transit or CAD AVL system, which inherently creates delay, Priority will use cellular modems with vehicles to establish location on a 1-second interval. The best thing about this is reducing integration costs with external systems while providing greater accuracy in our ETA-based priority solution. Dynamic routing is the third feature I'd like to highlight. Our priority system now utilizes routing engines to determine the most efficient route, eliminating the need for a transit or CAD AVL system to send vehicle routes. This route will then be used in our ETA communications to the appropriate smart signal controllers, such as Econolite's Cobalts with EOS, and this will enact priority. If a vehicle deviates from the route, we will dynamically adjust the routing and communicate to the revised group of signals. This is a significant enhancement, as this is going to enable agencies without CAD AVL systems to enable priority within their signal systems. But that's not all. Our Centracs Mobility platform has also received a significant boost in its traffic control capabilities with Pattern Optimizer and Adaptive. The following enhancements leverage high-resolution SPM data generated by our Evo and Vision products. Number 1, cross-coordination. This enables 2 distinct corridors to run adaptive with a common intersection, optimizing traffic flow. Number 2, our queue spillback flush feature prioritizes phases with queues exceeding detector lengths, and this minimizes congestion. Number 3, we've identified predefined cycle lengths, and this allows users to leverage preferred cycle lengths within the adaptive configuration rather than just incremental changes. Number 4 is our visibility enhancements. Visibility enhancements provide multiple status screens for better understanding of our adaptive results for our customers. Weighted phases allow users to give higher or lower priority for phases within the adaptive algorithm calculation. And that's just the beginning. Our commitment to excellence continues with upcoming enhancements to Centracs Mobility, including Plus Detect being enhanced to provide more robust sensor data reporting and analytics. A multi-jurisdictional module that allows multiple agencies to seamlessly share a Centracs Mobility instance and data to facilitate cross-jurisdictional management and monitoring. There's interoperability improvements, including database editors with vendor-specific capabilities that will aid agencies that have heterogeneous traffic signal environments. Now, stay tuned as we pass the spotlight to my colleague Sunny, who will delve into our traffic control and sensor solutions.
Thank you, David. As Christian said in his opening remarks, with Econolite and PTV joining forces, we are now truly the one-stop shop provider of end-to-end technology and services for smart, safe, and sustainable mobility. Econolite's history and association with traffic management dates back to the 1930s, when we developed the industry's first flashing stop sign. Since then, we have been constantly innovating and creating new benchmarks in traffic management and today's evolving intelligent transportation systems, or ITS, industry. We've been innovators and stewards of modern standards and specifications that have been driving the ITS industry forward. Traffic controllers are the brain behind signalized intersections, and Econolite is the largest manufacturer of traffic controllers in North America. Comfortably more than a third of signalized intersections in the United States run Econolite controllers. We've shipped more than 100,000 of our flagship Cobalt and 2070 line of traffic controllers, and have been at the forefront of technological innovations in controllers for decades. Just earlier this year, we completed the design and development for the 2070 LX Plus controller, the latest in the 2070 line of controllers, which adds unprecedented networking capabilities and the ability to run multiple Ethernet-based processing modules for new types of applications like those related to connected and automated vehicles. We also recently released Engine Board version 1.3 for our Cobalt and 2070 LX controllers. And this version of the Engine Board introduces a novel daughter card-based design for USB functionality. Right now, we're in the process of developing what would be a couple of major hardware upgrades for our traffic controllers, and these are aimed to bring about the next level of processing power and performance to our controllers. On the controller software side, EOS, our powerful and easy-to-use controller software, is now deployed at more than 16,000 intersections. With EOS, our focus has been on enhanced safety, streamlined maintenance, improved efficiency, interoperability, and improved connectivity for modern applications. We've always recognized the paramount importance of safety at the traffic intersection, and EOS includes support for safety-related features like leading pedestrian intervals or LPI, advanced warning flasher, protected, permissive left or right turns, and mid-block hawk crossings. On the efficiency front, EOS includes a smart and dynamic coordinator that is super responsive to changes in plans or field conditions. EOS also packs in best-in-class support for NTCIP 1211-based Signal Control Priority, or SCP, which helps arbitrate between 10 different classes of priority vehicles and helps reserve the green for these vehicles based on real-time ETA and ETD information. This year, we added a variety of enhancements and improvements to EOS in areas like preemption, SCP, flash operations, and cybersecurity, and the team is currently working on enhancing the integration of EOS with PTV Visum. We are working on making a great product even greater. Now, let's talk a little bit about sensors. Advanced traffic controllers like ours become truly powerful and effective when they receive high-quality and accurate data from traffic detectors and sensors. Econolite offers a wide spectrum of sensors employing different sensing technologies, both above ground and in pavement, to match different types of applications and use cases. This includes our Autoscope line of products for video detection, our new and extremely powerful radar detection product, the Evo Radar, and AccuScan, our magnetometer and micro radar-based detection solution. Autoscope Vision, the current generation of our video detection solution, has been a very stable and successful product in the market. Vision includes innovations like industry-first HD widescreen with 16:9 aspect ratio, providing a much larger field of view, and industry-first use of HD 3D algorithm, providing accurate object classification. With this high-definition sensor, we are able to get detection for stop bar, advance, and departing traffic, all with one sensor. With this sensor, we can detect pedestrians and bicycles with a high level of accuracy. With speed detection technology, this sensor can be used for advanced applications, including safety-related applications like dilemma zone protection. While Vision is doing extremely well in the market, we've also started working on our next-generation video detection solution. This new solution will use AI and advanced machine learning algorithms to further enhance the quality of detection and classification. It will be released to the market in the coming months. Evo Radar, our new and extremely powerful radar detection solution, is steadily establishing itself as the detection solution of choice across cities and counties. With a 110-degree field of view, a single Evo Radar sensor can cover 2 approaches at the intersection, which implies that you need only 2 sensors to cover all 4 approaches at the intersection. Evo comes with a detection range of 900 feet, which is equivalent to about 275 meters, and is able to provide lane-by-lane detection throughout the entire field of view. So you can have accurate detection at the stop bar as well as for advance and departing traffic, all from one single sensor. Based on frequency modulated continuous wave, or FMCW technology, EVO detects true presence, which means it can reliably detect stopped objects too. With this capability, you can follow a vehicle through its entire trajectory, including stops and turns. EVO detects pedestrians and bicycles in addition to cars and trucks, and has proven to be over 99% accurate in total object counts based on third-party testing. While the EVO sensor provides superior all-weather performance, the EVO Radar Hub deployed in the cabinet provides a powerful edge device, and the entire solution is very easy to set up. With such a powerful and capable solution, it's no wonder that we are seeing a great deal of interest in EVO Radar, both in North America and elsewhere. With our impressive and innovative portfolio of controller and sensor products, and a long history of superior product quality and field support, we continue to lead the way in traffic management equipment and solutions at the intersection. Talking about equipment at the intersection, we've covered controllers and sensors, but how about the ubiquitous traffic cabinets at the intersections? Well, over to my colleague Ryan Bullock now to talk about traffic cabinets. Take it away, Ryan.
Thank you, Sunny, and hi. As Vice President of Operations at Econolite, I'm excited to present to you our latest advancement in cabinet technology as a testament to our unwavering commitment to enhancing both safety and efficiency in traffic management. At Econolite, the customer comes first, and we ensure this by introducing new technology into traffic cabinets that continue to have the same interface and functionality as previous generations, so that the traffic technicians know exactly what to expect when they open a cabinet from Econolite. With each new advancement, we focus on quality and ease of use by exceeding industry standards for design and manufacturing that will ensure cabinet operation through harsh weather and exceeding all customer quality expectations, continuing to provide consistent wire routing, large color silkscreen, and easy-to-read prints that ensure ease of use to each customer. Our team is dedicated to delivering unparalleled cabinet engineering consultation services, unlike any in the industry, and our reach extends nationwide, bringing excellence in every corner. We are committed to engaging in fruitful collaborations with esteemed partners such as Caltrans, Texas DOT, and many other city agencies, including Sacramento, Chino, and Palm Desert, to review and enhance their cabinet designs and specifications. These regular design reviews and customer touchpoints help Econolite influence our design specifications, as well as ensure the customer gets the cabinet they need. These collaborations have resulted in the development of automated test processes for our 332 cabinet product lines based off the Caltrans specifications. Frequent and regular meetings with the customer ensures a test process that verifies every wire in the cabinet, whether it's used on initial deployment or reserved for future functionality, is properly connected, and that the reporting of these automated tests are delivered in a manner that gives the customer peace of mind knowing the level of quality guaranteed in each cabinet. When cabinet engineering and sales partnered to meet with the city of Sacramento, that was previously not a user of Econolite cabinets, the team was not only able to convert them to an Econolite design, but to an Econolite design that uses standard product and improved functionality when compared to their previous provider. This same partnership drives success stories with existing customers as well, including recent conversations with the California cities of Chino and Palm Desert, as well as the statewide agency of Texas DOT, where we have been able to update their specification to a modern cabinet design that fully meets their needs using standard Econolite equipment. We are proud that Econolite's commitment to customer satisfaction and cutting-edge technology remains at the forefront of our success. Another highlight we're thrilled to announce is that Econolite has taken a significant step to meet the ever-growing demand of our popular Blue Series cabinets. In response to industry and customer feedback of our esteemed Blue Series cabinets, a cornerstone of reliability, we have doubled the inventory of our Blue Series cabinets, ensuring faster shipping and greater availability for our customers' convenience. Econolite's Blue Series cabinets are known for their versatility and exceptional performance, With 6 distinct types to choose from, there is undoubtedly a Blue Series cabinet that can work for our customers. Blue Series traffic cabinets represent the most commonly asked for features in traffic cabinets, with cabinets from ATCC, NEMA, 332, hybrid product lines. The Blue Series provides ready-ship cabinets for every market. Cabinets in the Blue Series include the safer, smarter, and greener ATCC standard for customers looking to future-proof their intersections. The NEMA TS2 Type 1 and TS2 Type 2 are for customers looking for the security of a product line with a history of safety and reliability. The Caltrans 332L are for customers who want the certification of a Caltrans-approved design and manufacturer. And the hybrid combines the density of a rack-mount 332L with the sophistication of a serial-based TS2 architecture. Looking forward to even more developments out of cabinet engineering, a recent case study on DC voltage fan systems as a cooling solution for traffic cabinets, as a team sponsored by the Utah Department of Transportation examined the impact of leveraging a DC voltage fan system that produces even higher static pressure when compared to the traditional AC voltage fans used in most traffic cabinets. The study showed that the DC voltage fan yielded a significant reduction in the temperature by 9 degrees Celsius. The performance results of a DC voltage fan system can offer possibilities for optimizing cabinet and operational performance. Similarly, more customers are looking for solar solutions to power their intersections. We have testing grounds where we have been testing solar panels, various inverters, battery solutions that will enable customers to take advantage of the solar power and only use the grid's power if absolutely necessary. As you can see, the journey to innovation is never solitary. It's a collective effort intertwined with progress. So thank you for joining us on our road to the future of traffic management, backed by innovation, expertise, and the spirit of collaboration. Providing the best hardware is one thing, but even more important are the people ensuring safety, quality, and productivity in the field. Right, Stephanie?
Thanks, Ryan. I agree. We diligently work every day to provide the best services to our customers. The field services business continues to deliver on high-profile projects, providing construction and maintenance services for thousands of ITS devices across the United States. These projects include multi-million-dollar construction projects in California and Texas, as well as traffic signal and ITS maintenance projects for a multitude of agencies, varying in size from small cities to state DOTs. I'm proud to say that our services and expertise include contract maintenance that ensures operational integrity, scheduled and proactive repair services and capabilities, 24/7 emergency dispatch services, and qualified licensed electricians and IMSA certified technicians. That's why we are the trusted provider of traffic signal and ITS maintenance since 2002, and we're continuing to confirm this trust. A great representation of our capabilities is the Iowa DOT statewide ITS maintenance, which is why I want to tell you more about this premier project. For Iowa, we took this large ITS maintenance program from an incumbent service provider in less than 90 days to the delight of our customer. For this project, we provide the knowledge, skills, experience, and resources required to deliver maintenance, repair, growth, asset management, and overall upkeep of the entire ITS infrastructure with over 8,000 devices across the state. This includes microwave vehicle detectors, closed-circuit TV cameras, dynamic message signs, road weather information systems, snow system ramp gates, overheight detection systems, wrong way detection system, and intersection conflict warning systems. We manage Iowa's infrastructure from 3 locations, Central, Eastern, and Western, with a lean structure that empowers our employees and optimizes efficiency. During the project, we partnered with our Econolite software team to develop cloud-based maintenance management system as a module to the Centracs Mobility platform. This MMS includes a smart device app that provides real-time updates to and from our technicians on the status of devices, spares inventory, and promotes accurate asset management. And I have good news for the West Coast in the US. We're preparing to employ Centracs MMS for other maintenance customers in California as well. As field services is the heartbeat of every successful ITS project, my team and I will continue to ensure reliability, efficiency, safety, and customer satisfaction with every service that we deliver, making sure that traffic flows through the veins of our cities in the smoothest way. And with that, back to Christian.
As you can see, our team is working hard to further optimize our mobility technologies and services for you. In order to bring you even closer to our new developments and our fantastic community, we will again provide you with lots of additional in-depth content for every product that can be accessed online. While I'm convinced that technology is a key to transforming transportation, I'm even more aware that it is you, the transportation planners, operators, traffic engineers, and decision makers that truly make the difference. Your expertise, perseverance, and dedication shines through in solutions that enrich the lives of millions of people worldwide. You are the ones that optimize mobility for humanity every day. And that is what drives us to continuously provide you with the best technology to do so. Thank you very much, and let's keep moving forward together.